this video, we are going to see the one new latest update and the latest feature which is providing by the product review app by Squadkin Technologies. Okay, so let me explain you what is the feature and how this feature is going to be work. So here in this dashboard section, you can see the one new section which is says revenue generated by the app. Okay, so let's see what it's mean. The amount represents the total spending made using the discount code generated by the product review app. So here you can see this one, the numbers of the spent amount like 2,20,160 rupees, which is spent by the discount code, which discount code are generated by the product review apps. Okay, so let's see how this amount is calculating and how you can provide the discount code and what is the exact functionality. Okay, so here in the product review app, we are providing the discount code, but if the user is providing the image at the time of the product review, so we are eligible to give him a discount code. So let's see from where you can manage this functionality and what is the exact flow. So here in the review widget section, when you will go to the section, so here you can find the one tab called the collect reviews. Okay, so here you can find the one setting which is called discount review, discounts on reviews. Here you can see the setting enable discount on photo reviews. Okay, so if you enable this, so user is able to get the discount code when he is posting the review, and if user is adding the photo on the review. Okay, if user is not adding the photos on the review, so user is not able to get the discount code. So there are three ways on which you can provide the discount code on the photo. Here you can see the only review request. What is mean only review request? It means if user is getting the review email for the review request. Okay, let me show you how user is getting the review request. So here in the order and email section, reminder section, you can see we are automatically asking for the reviews, but when user is placing the order, like here you can see the list of orders. Okay, so like here you can see the email is scheduled for the 8th July, 9th July. Okay, so here you can see the first review request, like we are sending the automated email request once the user placing the order. Okay, so this is the first review request which sent after the 1 days of the order place. You can customize order templates, email templates. This is the second review request which is sent after the 2 days of the order placing. You can manage everything. Okay, so these are the email templates. Okay, so when user is giving the review from the email template, okay, it means user is giving review from the review request. So if you want to allow only the discount code when user give the photo from the review request email, or you can give from the only those user who is giving the photo from the on-site review. What is on-site review? So here you can see when user is giving the review from the website. Okay, let's suppose like I'm going to review this product and I'm writing review from here. It means it is on-site review. Okay, so when user is so you can add both fields like on-site review and the review request. Okay, or you can select any one of these. Then you can see the percentage of discount, like how many like how the user is going to get the discount, like fixed amount of discount, like percentage of discount. Okay, so you can give the number of discount, like how many percentage or what should be the amount. You can set the auto generated. Okay, like you discount should be auto generated, and so how many after days it will be expired, or you can give the specific discount like same for all. Okay, so for that you need to give the discount code here, so you can write your discount code specific here, but we recommend you to use the auto generated discount code. Okay, so these are the settings which you need to use. So once this all the settings will be placed, so when the user is giving the review, so he will get the discount code. He will get the discount from instantly here, and he will also get the discount code something like this, like you got the discount code. You can customize this email template as well. You can see the discount code is here. Sorry, the discount code is here. Okay, so when user is using the discount code, so you can track those details here in the automated email request. In this section, you will get every analytics. Like here you can see the three tabs like review, request on order. These are the email templates which are sent on the order review request. These are the photo review request emails. It means user is given the review but he is not added the photo. So here automated email will be sent when the user is not uploaded the photo. And here is the thing which we are looking for. Like here is you can see the like of this thing got the discount code of this, and he's not open. He's get the first email not open, not open. Okay, or you can see like how many times user opened the email. If the user has placed the order using the discount code here as you can see for this discount code, this discount code is used in this order. Okay, you can check like, how many amounts user spent. Okay, so when you click here, so you can see the specific order on which order user spent this. So you can find this order user has placed, and you can see the discount code here as well. So this is how you can track it. You can check on which discount code user purchased which products, and you can track every details. Okay. So and that is analytics like how much amount users spent. Okay, this amount is without tax and the shippings. Okay, so let us know if you have any question or something regarding this. Thank you.